Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SSLJ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice movement when you consider where the price was yesterday, and then you look at where the price closed today. Sure, the price did pull back from its highs, but still relative to where it was just yesterday to where it is right now, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a big move today. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 95 cents. Why is 95 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 95. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that the price just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress, again, as that 95-cent mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward, especially if you have a very basic understanding of charts. And I say that because right up here at that pink line is the famous 200 period moving average. And like I said, if you have a basic understanding, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. Not saying it can't be broken. I'm just saying that usually the price really has to bring its A game in order to get above it and then stay up above it. All in all, though, any way you slice it, big movement today, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.